What's up, guys? I'm at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest, and I've actually seen this company on Instagram. That's where I know you guys from. But introduce yourself and tell us what you got.
Yeah, my name's Quade Sheehan. I'm with Overland Adventure Truck. I've been working with Total Composites materials now for about 6 years. And what we have here, we're offering shell kits of flatbed campers and slide-in campers. And basically, as of right now, we have 8 different floor plans to choose from. And what you get is a fully insulated 4-season camper with windows and doors exactly where you want them, so that you can implement your ideal design in a camper.
So you basically you design it the way you want it. It's
exactly.
Not like a cut and...
Yeah, this is super DIY. We work with you to make sure that you have a weatherproof 4-season
cool.
thermal transfer free shell to work from. Super durable, lightweight. This unit on this flatbed is massive inside, and with a base shell weight of only 1,100 pounds. So really, it's pretty much lightest in the industry.
Yeah, that's cool. What I like about it is like you're getting some of the best on the outside, and then you do your own on the inside, right?
Exactly. Yeah. The exterior is professionally assembled, and so we can guarantee a nice weather-tight seal on the outside, and you won't get any kind of weather coming and sneaking up inside with some drips on the head with condensation or a leak from the roof or anything like that. So, yeah, we're pretty excited to be here with it and showing what we can do with these materials.
And I know guys watching this video, they're gonna be like, "Oh, that's cool, but how much does it cost?" So you already have the prices right here. I'm sure these are like ballpark prices, right?
So these prices include assembled shell with camper jacks on all 4 corners, ratchet straps to hold it down as a base, and an entry door wherever you'd like it. If you want any windows and stuff on top of that, or ventilation fans, skylights, anything like that, we work with you to figure out where exactly you want that in your layout. And, we route all the wiring and power for interior and exterior lighting.
Nice.
And for roof fans and things like that. And get your shell just the way you need it. So if you're installing cabinets, we just say run a bead of adhesive around the back of that cabinet box, slide it against the wall, and now it's set. It's permanently in there, and every time we add something else to this box, it just increases the strength of the entire thing.
Oh, I get you. What kind of adhesive is it? Like automotive adhesive?
It's a transportation industry bonding adhesive that we get from Germany. It's made by a company called Corpop, and it's really durable, waterproof. We use it as a sealant and adhesive. We've been using that same stuff for some years now.
Can I go in there?
Absolutely.
Okay. So this is on a flatbed, so you get the side entry, and it's a blank canvas. This is basically a blank canvas to do whatever you want. That's the nice thing about these. Anything you want to do, this is your setup. It's not some pre-packaged deal like other guys do.
So up here in the cab over, it's space enough for a queen size mattress. We're 5 feet from here to the front. Plenty of room to sit up. We have a nice, let's say 6-inch closed cell foam memory foam mattress, and plenty of room to be able to sit up there and chill. And this is the shorter version of the flatbed campers. We're only 6.5 feet on the floor, but with this departure angle, now we extend this interior dimension to 8.5 feet.
Oh, nice.
So what's cool is now if you wanted to have a rear-mounted kitchen, look out a big window like this, you're not taking up your valuable floor space. Then you still have room for seating or whatever else you need to do to make it yours.
I like it.
And let's say you didn't want a window on the back. Let's say you wanted windows here, and this was your seating area. Any way you want to configure it, it's all up to you.
That's nice. How about the roof? Like, if guys want to put storage up there, is that something this can handle? I guess it depends, huh?
Yeah, the panels and the extrusions, they can handle quite a bit. We definitely encourage solar panels and whatnot on the roof.
Oh, okay.
Then you can do a full off-grid type kit.
Yeah.
And, if you need to get up there and, climb out your skylight and clean off your solar panels, then absolutely go for it.
Nice. Very cool. I love it. Makes me want to buy a flatbed and start building one. Well, I guess you don't need a flatbed. You can have, there's an example of a slide-in right there. Let's go check that one out. So if you have a truck and you want to build your own slide-in, this will save a lot of headaches having these guys build your shell, and then you can just go to town from there. Look at that, $22,900. That actually doesn't seem too bad considering the quality that you're getting.
This one adds a shell with a window, or sorry, a door, camper jacks, and assembled. Actually, our base cost is $18,260.
Oh.
So add some windows, add some roof vents, add some front storage area. You know, we're increasing the cost a little bit, but we're saving you time and ensuring it's done right.
Nice. Because I know if I tried to build my own shell, it would take me 5 times to do it. You guys, at least it's done right. Yeah. All right, I can go in here too, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go take a look inside.
Yeah, we have some caution tape if we didn't want it.
Oh, I got you.
Definitely, we encourage everybody to try and see what we have going on. We're excited about it.
Oh, this is a good example. You already got a foam bed in here too.
Yeah, so this is the 6.5 foot bed, same footprint length as that other camper, and we've got a queen size bed in here too, with the storage underneath of it to extend that bed platform out.
Oh,
and,
okay.
You know, being inside, you really don't notice that that's 1 foot of space is missing right there, but you've got to be able to put your water, your battery system, and some gear somewhere.
Yeah.
So we're really fond of this kind of concept.
And this guy looks like he doesn't even have to winterize it. Everything's all in here.
Right,
Water.
everything's modular. It can be taken out.
Yeah, taking everything out. That's cool. I like it. Very cool. What's the website if you guys have more questions?
So my website is overlandadventuretruck.com, or you can see things on totalcomposites.ca.
There we go. Oh, it's a Canada company. That's right.
Total Composites is based out of Victoria, BC, and my company, Overland Adventure Truck, is in Olympia, Washington.
Okay, not too far.
Oh.
Yeah. You didn't have to drive too far. That's good. I had to drive from Reno.
All right.
That was a long ways. Cool. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.